Daddy, I know. We can make one for both of us and make one for you and make one for Mummy.
Oh, that's a
So
good
you know,
idea.
who are you making it for, Mummy or Daddy? I'm making it for Daddy.
So what it says
I'm
here?
making it for
Can you
you.
read it? What it says here?
Okay, I can.
Right,
I can.
we are on.
Shack. Just shake.
Steer.
Steer.
Just shake or steer. Yeah?
Just shake.
Welcome to Just Shake or Steer and the Mocktail edition special with the two new bartenders, Aurora and Stelina. So, that's your shaker. That's your shaker, darling. You open it from the top, put this on the side. Right, open it from the top. There you go, put it on the side. And now we do it one by one, yeah? Is that okay? So, you have yours first. So you want apple and mango, yeah? Don't eat your fingers.
More skin on me.
Ooh, 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 going everywhere. So apple and mango a little bit we're gonna put inside. Oops, I think that's enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want a little bit more? Let's put a little bit more. You get the pineapple juice.
I got apple.
You got apple, yeah, I know. So
I
pineapple.
got apple. I got pineapple.
So we have apple and mango, pineapple. Are you doing it? Come on. Pineapple. Whoa, that's a good pour. Yeah, professional. And your raspberries cordial syrup. Yeah? So we gotta be careful with that. We can't put too much. That'll be alright.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Smell?
Oh,
Smells
it
nice.
smells good. It smells like sweets.
Yeah, it smells like sweets. Do you want a little bit of pineapple syrup?
Oh yeah. I don't
Look
remember
that. That smells good.
No.
You don't want it?
No, it doesn't smell good. I don't want it. I don't want it too.
Right, a little
I
bit
want
because it's a very sweet. Okay? Your mouth's gonna stick like a...
Why
we're
do
doing
it when it's sweet?
Right, we leave it now on the side. Let me do with your sister and then we shake it, yeah?
Yeah.
Just wait. Alright, darling.
I want apple first.
You want apple first? So we're doing the other mocktail, which is gonna be apple, orange, and red grape, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Red grape and cherry. Ooh, that's yummy. Right, come on. Put your sleeves up so it's easy for you to work. That's it. Come on. Yeah.
Apple and flowers.
Apple. Is that enough? That enough. That enough. That's enough.
Now this. Daddy, I could put some raspberries in.
No, not yet. Wait. Orange. A little bit orange. Come on. Put a little bit orange. That's enough. You don't need too much orange.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. You wait. You stay on your side.
It smells.
No, easy.
I can smell it.
Can you smell yours? Look at that. Ooh,
does it
smells
smell
nice, like a candy. Is it right? You're not impressed. Do you want it? Yeah. Come on, a little bit.
Smells like candy. Oh,
It is smells like candy, yeah.
I just smell this. It smells
And-
sweet. This.
Oh, pineapple syrup. Okay. You're gonna put a little bit. Come on.
No.
Should I put it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
You said that you can't put too much because it's so sweet.
Right. Okay.
It looks really
So
stuck.
I'm gonna get the ice
Nice.
now. We need. And I don't know where I put it, so I'm gonna get a spoon. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my hands are long.
Oh, 4. Okay.
Oh, look, my hands are long.
I know. So 1.
Oh my. It's splat in that bottle.
Huh?
Did it just
No.
It's
It's all
just
good.
splat everywhere.
It's not. Nina, where are you going?
I turned around.
No, stay here.
Oh, that's gonna be cold.
Right, you gotta close that on the top. Close it. You close it nicely. So, let me show you. You hold the top and the bottom. Yeah, like that. Yeah,
Then you shake it.
and shake it. Come on. So you hold the top and the bottom.
Well,
Shake it. Yeah, and shake it. Shake up and down, up and down. No, up and down, like that.
Oh, my hands
Yeah.
got freezing now.
Is it? Right, do you want me to help? Yeah, is it freezing?
Yeah.
Right, that is gonna shake bottom. Right. Let's see. Why are you posing? You're such a poser. Your sister, is it? You're such
No,
a
I'm
poser.
not.
Yeah, you are.
I just told you the These are the cool ones.
Is it cool ones?
Mine's gonna be the best.
No, nobody is the best. Everybody is a good thing. Okay.
Both of them, I mean.
Right, we'll put that here in the ice. We don't need it now. We open yours. We put it here.
Yeah, we're gonna make one for Mum.
Now-
We're gonna make one for you and Dad. And
I'll make it later on for me. Should we put it?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, what's happening. Wow.
Wow. Daddy, shall we make Mummy's first now? Daddy, wait.
No, not now. Wait a second, darling. Right, let's put it, darling.
Oi!
Wow.
I might actually look like a coffee.
Okay, so you gotta need
Oh,
these things.
why are my fingers so sticky? Is it about this?
What did you touch? Is the syrup?
Nothing.
Yeah. Right, raspberries.
60 fingers?
How many raspberries you want? 1,
1,
2,
2,
more?
3.
3?
No, 4.
So we can fit 4. We'll put just 3, alright? And you put them like this on
And
the
I can eat the rest.
You put them like this on the side.
And can I eat the rest? Or not?
I don't know.
Oh, no!
Oh, it's
Ew.
gone.
Ew.
Right, we'll put him inside like that. I know. Well, let's see. Get your straw. I know.
Daddy, I need to cut mine. They're very big.
I'm such a professional with the garnish. Look at that now. We'll take him out. And that is gonna give you a special one. Yeah? We'll put this away. Don't worry. We'll get a new one. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Should we put 4?
Yeah.
Right,
4.
let's put 4.
How old Nina is.
And then
Four
your
is-
special Just Shake or Stir mini straw. Yeah?
Daddy, I need to cut my orange.
It's cut already, Daddy. I cut it for you. Look at that. It's here.
Oh, that's
So,
They're freezing.
is it freezing? You try already?
Yeah.
How is it? Is it nice?
Good.
You think about name then.
put it
Wait,
here.
yeah, we'll put it.
I call it Gracia, remember?
So, we can open like this, you see. You can split the orange.
My teeth, it's got freezed in.
We can split. Are we putting only one or putting 2?
I'm putting on it 2.
2? Only 2. There's only 2, yeah.
Oh, why is my teeth always going freezing when I bring...
Right, we put
Freezing.
2. Wait.
No, I'm drinking it.
I know, but wait a moment. Hey, patient. Do you want a raspberry on it?
No, thanks.
Are you sure?
Sure.
1?
No.
No? You sure?
Like rubber.
Okay. Oh. Right, special straw for you. Right, what you say you're gonna call it Grace
Chris.
because of your best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how you gonna call yours, Nina?
I'm gonna drink Grace.
Any name?
Call it Juice Friend.
2 friend.
Yeah.
So that's Grace. So that's 2 friends. So Grace called Mocktail has pineapple juice, apple and mango, and Mr. Fitzpatrick raspberry and lavender cordial. And the 2 friends Mocktail made by Nina have orange juice, apple and elderflower juice, and red grape and sour cherry cordial from Mr. Fitzpatrick. Are you gonna try?
Yeah.
Oh, both of them have pineapple syrup. Come on. Tell me what you think. Good?
I'm only halfway.
Give me 5. Give me 5. Stop eating the raspberries.
What?
That's garnish. Just stop eating the raspberries. Drink your mocktail. No.
No, why could I eat
Right.
more?
Well, that was extra episode of Just Shake or Stir. My name is George, this is Aurora, and this is Telina, my two crazy daughters. But I love them to bits. So, girls, you're gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Kisses. We love you and leave you. Stay safe, and I'll see you for another video very soon. Bye-bye.